Hi, welcome to a brief demonstration for the LUdev Horti scouting project. First, logging in as a scout, you can go to the maps, where you can see that the scout is assigned to two different maps. The maps themselves can be dragged and scrolled, which also works on mobile devices. Clicking on a floor reveals the current status and history of the reports, and using the multi-select tool, one or multiple floors can be selected, or even all floors, to create a report. When you create a report, you can fill in different information. For example, the pests, the type of pests, the severity, the treatment plan, so biology used, for example, as well as chemicals used, and additional information. After submitting the report, you can see that the map now turns yellow, which indicates the pending status for the current report. When logging in as an administrator, you get brought to the home page where you can assign maps to scouts and view pending reports. Also, when you go to the map, you can see the yellow colored reports of our previous scout. These reports can be viewed in the admin dashboard, where you can see that it is a batch selection. And when you click Review Batch, you can see all the information submitted by the scout, like pests found, which pests, and the severity. Once a report is correct, you can click either Accept All or, if not, Reject All. Once the report has been accepted, the map now colors red to indicate that the report has been approved and a pest has been found. Additionally, by going to the Reports tab, you can go back to the admin dashboard, can manage employees, or create new reports for either the roof or the climate computer. Going to the Scouts tab reveals different scouts, in this case two, their latest reports, and you can assign maps for these scouts. Going to the History tab shows the analytics for the pests. Not much is to be seen since only a single report was created. Clicking on the pest shows the location and the type of treatment used. Scrolling further down below, it shows a week-by-week comparison for all or either of the maps, where you can see which pest and the difference between last and this week with regards to the pest severity to see if treatments worked. Lastly, going to the account page shows different information like the changing of the password or email, the language, creating a scout account, or resetting information or editing information.